Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Isabella.
And I'm James. We are very happy that you are here with us today.
In this podcast, we help you learn English through simple and real conversations.
Yes, and today's topic is very useful for everyday life.
Today, we are going to talk about
Talking about your weekend in English.
this is a very common topic.
Yes, people often ask, what did you do on the weekend?
And today, we will help you answer this question easily.
With simple English.
Let's start with a basic question. James, what did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, I stayed at home and relaxed.
That's a good answer.
Now it's your turn. What did you do last weekend?
Try to answer out loud.
Now let's make the answer longer. Instead of saying, I stayed home, say, I stayed at home and relaxed because I was tired.
Adding a reason makes your English better. Let's continue. James, did you go out last weekend?
Yes, I went out with my friends.
Where did you go?
We went to a cafe and had coffee.
That sounds nice. Now you try. Did you go out last weekend?
Answer out loud.
Now let's learn some useful sentences. I stayed at home. I went out with friends. I watched a movie. I visited my family.
These are very common answers.
Now let's build a conversation.
Hey, Isabella, how was your weekend?
My weekend was great.
What did you do?
I visited my family and watched a movie.
That sounds fun.
Now let's make it longer. My weekend was great. I visited my family and we had dinner together. After that, I watched a movie and relaxed.
That's a perfect answer. Now let's talk about another situation. Hey, Isabella, did you do anything interesting last weekend?
Yes, I went to the park and spent time with my friends.
What did you do there?
We talked, walked, and enjoyed the weather. Now it's your turn. Did you do anything interesting last weekend?
Try to give details.
Now let's practice using because. I watched a movie because I was tired.
I went out because I wanted to relax.
Very useful structure.
Now let's talk about staying at home. Hey, Isabella, what do you do when you stay at home?
When I stay at home, I usually watch TV, read a book, or rest.
That sounds relaxing.
Now you try. What do you do when you stay at home?
Speak clearly.
Now let's move to a longer, natural conversation.
Hey, Isabella, how was your weekend?
My weekend was very relaxing.
Why?
Because I stayed at home and didn't have much work.
What did you do at home?
I watched TV, cleaned my room, and cooked some food.
Sounds like a productive weekend.
Now let's practice another situation. You are talking to a colleague on Monday.
Hey, Isabella, how was your weekend?
It was good, thank you.
What did you do?
I went out with my friends and had a great time. Now you try. How was your weekend?
Answer in full sentences.
Now let's talk about bad weekends.
Yes, sometimes weekends are not perfect. Hey, Isabella, how was your weekend?
It was a little boring.
Why?
Because I stayed at home and didn't do much.
That's okay too.
Now let's practice one more longer conversation.
Hey, Isabella, did you enjoy your weekend?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
What did you do?
I visited my family, watched a movie, and relaxed.
That sounds perfect.
Now let's continue and go deeper with more natural conversations.
All right, let's continue with more real-life conversations about your weekend.
Yes, and now we will make your answers more natural and interesting.
Let's talk about weekend plans. Hey, Isabella, what are you going to do this weekend?
This weekend, I'm going to relax and spend time with my family.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I am going to meet my friends and maybe watch a movie.
Now it's your turn. What are you going to do this weekend?
Try to answer in full sentences.
Now let's improve your answers. Instead of saying, I will relax, say, I will relax at home because I had a busy week.
That's a much better answer.
Now let's practice asking follow-up questions.
This helps you continue the conversation. Hey, Isabella, I went to the park last weekend.
Oh, really? Who did you go with?
I went with my friends.
What did you do there?
We walked and talked.
Now you try asking questions. Practice with your own answers.
Now let's talk about weekend activities. Hey, Isabella, what do people usually do on weekends?
People usually relax, meet friends, watch movies, or spend time with family.
That's true.
Now you try. What do people usually do on weekends?
Answer out loud.
Now let's talk about favorite weekends.
James, what is your perfect weekend? My perfect weekend is when I can relax, spend time with friends, and do something fun.
Why?
Because it helps me feel happy and relaxed.
That's a great answer. Now you try. What is your perfect weekend?
Give details.
Now let's continue with a longer conversation.
Hey, Isabella, how was your weekend?
It was great.
What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday, I went to the park and spent time with my friends.
What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I stayed at home and watched a movie.
That sounds like a balanced weekend.
Yes, it was.
Now let's move to one final long and natural conversation. Hi, Isabella. How was your weekend?
Hi, James. My weekend was really nice.
What did you do?
On Saturday, I visited my family and had dinner with them. We talked a lot and had a great time.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I stayed at home, cleaned my room, and watched a movie.
Did you relax?
Yes, I relaxed a lot because I was a little tired.
That sounds like a perfect weekend.
Yes, I think so too.
And just like that, you can talk about your weekend in English.
Yes, it's not difficult if you use simple sentences. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Use past tense. I went, I watched, I visited.
Use time expressions. On Saturday, on Sunday.
Add details.
Give reasons.
Ask questions.
Keep the conversation going.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Practice every day.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you improve.
Now let's give our final advice. Talk about your weekend every week.
Practice with friends or by yourself.
Repeat what you hear.
And try to speak out loud.
If you practice regularly, your English will improve.
And you will feel more confident.
Thank you so much for listening to today's podcast.
We hope you learned something useful.
Keep learning English.
Keep practicing every day.
And remember,
Your English will improve step by step.
we will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye and happy learning.